the fix it ASAP. I just woke up and it's still showing me this error. So now I get this and it's super weird because I'm still in the position. It says it's a short, but now it's probably trying to close as another short or something. I'm not sure, but we should, when we see this error, we should see that the wrong side is detected and readjust for that. Okay, so we're gonna have Claude go ahead and fix this up for me because she been tripping. You're absolutely right, Dr. Datadog. The bot is detecting the balance error, but not actually checking the real position. Let me add a forced position check. First sip of coffee. Okay, good morning. 777. Today we got a lot in store for us as always. Every day. Lock in. 777 to you, fam. I hope you're doing well. Strength test with the liquidations. Oh, I wanted to test that one next, so I'm gonna build that next. Direction strength with licks. Okay, I already got them set up. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and let's get this fixed, and then we're gonna go ahead and get those two set up. Also, we want to figure out the lighter stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if she figures it out now. So it should see that we just hit the max loss. It should have taken me out way earlier, but you know, there's errors sometimes in bots, and this is one of them. You can see wrong side detected. Okay. I may need to intervene on this one because extended has this quirk where if your balance goes negative, you can't close positions. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark it out. Okay, it's out of there. Now I want to go ahead and I want to keep working on the lighter exchange here today. But first, I want to go ahead and see how these did. I ran 3 of them yesterday, and now I'm gonna track all 3 of them. So how do I do that? Well, I go to portfolio here, and first off, let's start with the main. The main thing. Okay, we got the main tracked. Let's go ahead and check out the second main thing. Count 2. And that's the one that had the bug, so that's unfortunate. Yo, Rio, what's up, dude? Wishy, how you doing? 777 to both you, fam. Okay, great. Got them all tracked. Perfect. So now I want to go ahead and set these other 2 up. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, I think I'm going to set it up on account 1 and account 2. Beautiful. So I've got 2 different bots here that I want to set up. And these are the direction strength ones. So I'm going to say account 1, account 2. These are the bows. Okay, now we can run them. So essentially I have two bots down here and I have two new files that I want to run. Direction strength WebSockets, no licks. And then direction strength WebSockets 5.7, 15 minutes. I'm looking forward to both of these. So let's go ahead here and say direction strength extended WebSocket. Okay, let's find that here. Let's get these orders going through too. Direction strength WebSocket, no licks, copy path. Let's see if they work. Let's debug anything that doesn't. Copy path, run. Placing test orders. Okay. That looks like it's Gucci. Da, 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 da. I mean, the thing that I don't see though is getting liquidations. So let's make sure to get out of that here. Or these two at extended direction. It's actually at direction. WebSocket, no licks. At direction. You can see here that it went ahead and it said it had 0 liquidations in the last 10 minutes, but I'm not sure if that's true. We should print out the last parts of the liquidation so we can see the sum of that. And remember, if there's an error with getting it, then it should not count it as 0. It should just use the last run. Because I don't think it got the liquidations. Do you? Let's see. WebSocket, getting liquidation data. Okay. And remember, this file here does it perfectly, so you can see how they set it up. So let's say extended SDZ, no licks. Jimmy. And then while she's gone, I want to start working on the lighter stuff as well. Oh, never mind. Context low, run compact. Compact. Conversation too long. Press escape twice to go up a few messages and try again. Cypher, what's up, bro? Adding detailed liquidation logging. Okay. Lighter exchange here. Lighter exchange functionality test here. Logging. I want to ask, I might as well ask, what's her face about it? I don't even know what her name is anymore. Nor can I find her, so I'm just going to use Claude. Does this file have any other files that it depends on? Or can it do all of the functionality within this file? I think it can do everything in here. Oh, lighter wrapper extends from .env. File depends on external files. External dependencies is lighter wrapper. So really it's just the lighter package and then the lighter wrapper. So really it's just the lighter package and the lighter wrapper, right? Adding detailed liquidation stuff. This file depends on exactly right. So you need the lighter wrapper and the lighter package. Okay. That's pretty chill. See how long this wrapper is. Not too long. Perfect. We'll work on that next. Okay, so you can see here, we can run this again now. Getting liquidation data records. You can see it came back with no liquidation data. Let's go to debug here, liquidations. But then in the debug liquidation, recent liquidations on CSV, it shows plenty of them. I can see the issue now. The problem is the timestamp column contains the wrong type of data. Rico 777, fam. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and see what it shows now. Rico. API error, keeping previous state. All right, nice printouts. You can now see the actual errors for both of them. Fix both. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Go ahead, see what's Gucci now. Error still, huh, fam? Hey, bro, you got mad examples of how to organize this data. I know there's no labels on them, but you got this, bro. Look at all these examples. at extended. Look at them examples, B. Let's get it. The examples, the answers in the examples. It's in the examples. It's the examples, dude. It's the examples. By the way, we have the TradeBot Challenge coming up here on Tuesday. You can see the boot camp is closed, but the TradeBot Challenge has 30 tickets available, and a few are already gone. So if you want in on Tuesday, it's going to be a 3-hour live event, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to show you step by step how to automate your trading, and I'm going to show you everything about the AI that I'm using. So even if you don't know how to code, I will show you how to code. I'll show you how to have AI code for you. And I'll show you literally everything needed in order to become an automated trader. There should be a link. Actually, it's not even in the description. So let me go ahead and put it in the description. That would be a smart move. But it's tradebotchallenge.com. And that's coming up on Tuesday. So I look forward to that. I hope you're hyped, bro. I hope you're hyped. Cause I'm hyped. Cause I'm hyped, fam. Cause I'm hyped, fam. Alright, it's in the description now if you want that. Compacting convo again? Holly Hally. Da da da. Oh, while this happens, actually, nah, I don't want to do too many things at once. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. It's just that there's a lot of waiting involved with AI, so you can research things. I'm gonna research actually. While she does that, I do this. OpenAI Dev Day. Oh, she's done. Getting lick data. Bro. Those two bots I sent you, they work perfectly. Grabbing the API, assigning the columns how they should be, and then organizing them. So you have two really great examples here that you can use in order to do this, but we're still running into this error. On this bot. Okay, here are working examples. I think it's because it keeps compacting. Okay, there's a working example for you, bro. Extended direction strength extended, no licks. All sessions are now live. Developer State of the Union. Built for SF by SF. Building on with open models. Sora image gen. Scaling AI applications to enterprise. Model behavior. Measuring agents with interactive shipping with Codex. Intro to agent builder. Evals. OpenAI on OpenAI. Agent kit demo. Orchestrating context engineering. This is the one that I was looking at. Can't listen to it. Perfect. The bot has the exact same logic. Okay, let's see it. AVAX, what's up, dude? The 777 is my protector. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Beautiful. So licks too high. Okay, that's the first one. And then the second one. Let's go ahead and see if we got this one going too. This one should be no licks. 15. Copy path. Python. Run it. This should show it should be off as well. What's up, Wishy? Okay, that worked on the other one. Great job. Go ahead and update it on this one as well with the same fix you made above because it worked on that one, just not on this one yet. Thanks. You can start building and testing apps in ChatGPT. I think that's interesting. Agent Kit, introducing Agent Kit, build, deploy, and optimize agentic workflows. GPT-5 Pro is now in the API. Codex is now GA. Don't know what that means. GPT-5 API requests are 40% faster. Wow, there are so many dazzling features. Reading some AI slop. So Apps SDK, I want to read through this. Apps SDK is available in preview today. Compacted in Genkabron. Designed for quality. App design guidelines. App developer guidelines. Getting started plan. Research use cases. Build. Set up your server. Create and configure an MCP server. Deploy. Build your app. Deploy your app. Guide to optimize metadata. Security and privacy. App design guidelines, I suppose. These guidelines will give you everything you need to begin building high quality, consistent, and user friendly experiences inside ChatGPT. A good app should answer yes to most of these questions. Does it fit naturally into a conversation? Is it time bound or action oriented? Is the information valuable in the moment? Okay, here we go. So it should be using the same one now. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check it out. Trading pause. Perfect. Okay, both of these are correct now, so I can move on to the lighter exchange. Both of those work now. Great. Let's go ahead and make sure that they're both tracked perfectly. Let's go ahead and check them out. So account one, okay. Portfolio. Okay, that's good. Account two, let's check it out. Okay, great, dude. So let's make sure that these are both on the right accounts. This should be account 2. And this should be account 1. Perfect. Run it. Says account 2. I've got them both running, fam. They're going to be running down here, and I'm going to be watching for errors all day. And then I'm going to start working on something else. It's for the Lighter exchange now. Okay, we're moving on to Lighter. Lighter exchange is another exchange, Lighter.xyz. You can check it out for yourself if you please. If you please, you can check it out for yourself, dude. I'm stepping on the gas pedal every day, every day, every day. If you want to learn from me, go ahead and join the TradeBot Challenge. It's on Tuesday at 10 a.m. It's going to be a 3-hour challenge where I show you step by step how to automate your trading, and that's the challenge. The challenge is to get you to become an automated trader in 3 hours. That's absolutely crazy. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if you'll be able to pass or not, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. There's only 30 tickets available, so if you want in on that, get in on that. I will show you step by step exactly how to do everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on our Lighter exchange now. So Lighter OFI Advanced No Licks. Okay. Okay, so when I run this, I'm just getting into some errors. So let's go to Lighter on my exchange on my other browser. Okay, and let's go ahead and just run it. And then here, I've got these examples here. Lighter wrapper, copy path. Lighter wrapper, copy path. Between these two files, we should be able to make orders work perfectly. So I want you to look at our current Lighter OFI Advanced No Licks.py, and there's some sort of error here that's not allowing us to put in the actual orders. So what I want you to do is look through the above files, because those above files work perfectly to put limit orders, put market orders, etc., in. But our bot's not working. So you need to compare those files above to our files here. And then go ahead and build a test file just like the exchange functionality test here, so we can see what's going on, like see if our orders are working, because we're just running into this error where it says executing long trade, and then it says we'll loop until 95% filled, but then it just doesn't do anything from there. AKA no orders are put in, nothing. So just make a test file that does exactly what the above tests do. Put the limit orders in, cancel them, etc., etc. Essentially copy over that file. Make sure the wrapper's over here as well. Maybe add that to the nice funks file. But yeah, we essentially get to this point where we get stuck, and it says it's about to order, but it doesn't actually order, and it doesn't loop until it's filled, which it should. We're trying to mimic the functionality of this code, this extended OFI Advanced No Licks, but for Lighter. Lighter. And then it just shows this sending ping BS, bro. No, I don't need you to send me a ping, fam. Dr. Datadog, I can see the issue. Your Lighter bot is getting stuck after will loop until 95% because your order placement is failing silently. Let me compare the working files that your bot and create a comprehensive test file. Let me check your Lighter nice funks, okay, to see what's wrong with the order placement, okay. Jimmy GD 777. Choose happiness. What seems to us as bitter Trials are often blessings in disguise. Okay, 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 okay. I see you, fam. Thank you. 777. Poor use cases display long form. Use space for ads, upsells. Let's say OpenAI apps. You can now chat with apps. Got the OpenAI apps SDK working and loading data now to make it useful. Marketplace ad pros. They dropped apps in ChatGPT and it's bigger than plugins ever were. You can literally talk to Shopify, Canva, or Zillow straight away in your chat. OpenAI dropped 2 massive updates, Agent Builder Apps SDK. Loved OpenAI Apps SDK, so did we. OpenAI new chat apps giving the same vibe as GPTs in 2023, fam. It's kind of where I'm at. That's what I'm seeing. But I gotta look into it at least. OpenAI agents are coming, yada yada. Okay, the key was matching how your bot file was working. Okay, so you could run this to test it, but let's see if we just can get it going. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's test it. So Python test lighter orders. So test lighter orders here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these orders in, fam. Check balance, okay. Oh, I got an error. On the test orders, I got this error, but remember, this works perfectly. Dun, 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 dun. This one works perfectly, cousin. That one works perfectly, so why aren't you working perfectly? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 ba dun bum 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 bum. Jimmy G D Olanado AXV Rico C4 Jimmy Buffett Doge Real Fortunes Olanado Rico Hot Atlantis. All right, dude. Let's go ahead and keep unraveling. Let's unravel, unravel, unravel till the raveling needs to be done, 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 done. Done, done, done. Datadog done, no. Datadog's not done yet, no. I'm gonna close that one, okay. Okay, perfect. The test now worked. Let's get it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, yeah, no, no. Let's see if it actually works, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Na, 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 na. Black Ops 7, huh? I'll click on the ad. Wait, she found something? Ah, there's the problem. I used. Okay, great. Glad you found it, shorty. Playing Raid again? I don't remember that map. Black Ops 7 is the best. We the best. You the bash. Okay, well, Black Ops 7 coming soon. Okay, there we go. Now it should work. Okay, let's go ahead and say test lighter API simple, created test quick orders, test lighter orders. Okay, let's try this out and see if we can get the orders in. Nice, dude. Perfect. I think it worked. Let's try it again. $87. Buy placed. Okay, yeah. Wait. Looks like you only put in the order history here. Okay, it actually worked. All right, so the test lighter orders.py works. So go ahead and implement that into the bot now. So that's at lighter. Dun 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 dun. All right, we got two bots live already this morning. What time is it? 44 minutes in? Okay, great. I like that speed. See if we can get this one Gucci. So simple pass, okay. Lighter, no no licks, okay. Let's go ahead and check out that Nitro. Pass the Nitro. I got 5 on it. Gain liquidation data. Liquidations, fine. Executing long trade. Nah, it still doesn't do that, dude. While you fixed everything, it seems like in the lighter OFI advanced no licks, we still have this problem where it's not actually putting the orders in or looping till it's filled. Remember, we're supposed to be watching the WebSocket and loop until it fails. If the price changes, then we cancel and put in the new order. Make sure to print out information so we can see what's going on if in case it's not working, you know? Looks like entering placement because the if target price does not equal last price. All right, let's try it again. Let's run it back. Let's keep running it back till we can't anymore. It just takes a while to run is the thing. Can you pull the exact portion of the code where it loops until it enters? I want you to grab that exact portion from the lighter OFI advanced no licks and then make a new file doing it the exact same way because this takes a while to test. You know, we have to wait for the OFI calculations, liquidations to be good and all that good stuff. So yeah, make a separate file that uses it the exact way it does. And then we can test this entry faster, this looping entry. From the main bot, maybe this is the issue. It's showing no bid or no ask. Dun, 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 dun. Why is it compacting so often? All right, let's test out this file that she made for us. And this should be the exact way. Test lighter entry loop. Then below is the test lighter entry loop, so you can see the exact error. Thank you. Okay, so we figured it out, maybe. Excellent detective work, Dr. Data Dog. I found the issue. But the parser isn't extracting the bit asked correctly. Let me check what the API is actually returning. Aha, the API doesn't include the actual bit asked in this endpoint. The structure is completely different. It's returning configuration, not order book data. Let's see what's going on with OpenSea Apu's. Just because we're on our way here. Okay, OpenSea Hyper EVM. Just because we're over here. See if there's still activity. 2 minutes ago. Okay, so people are still trading these. Crazy. Found it, Dr. Datadog. The correct endpoint is order books. Nice, bro. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and check out the tighter loop now. There we go. The hell, dude? Let's go ahead and try it on the no licks now. Lighter OFI advanced here. Lighter OFI advanced, no licks. Let's run it. So this is gonna take a second. Checking the liquidations. We got this tweaked so it won't shut it off. I mean, unless there's 250 million or more. Best new signal. Okay, good. So I want to see if it loops to enter. Executing short trade. I'm running into this error on the lighter OFI advanced no licks.py. Dun, dun, dun. Perfect. Let's create a quick documentation file explaining it. Okay, I do see open orders now. Nice. Cancel all. Confirm. Run it. While that runs, I'm gonna take a whiz. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3 hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3 hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour one, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour two, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour three, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3 hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. It looks like it's working actually. Um, but actually, okay, it got into a long position here. All right, it looks like it worked on the order. It got into a long position here, but now the take profit, stop loss, or P&L close doesn't seem to be working. Not the P&L close, but looking at the take profit and the stop loss. It says position fully closed, but you can see the position still here. As we should run this when we start, you should always check for a position. We have the opportunity here to test this out since we do have a position that has hit the take profit. So fix it and then we'll run it and then it should be able to take profit here, no problem. Or a stop loss. It might end up turning all the way around, dude, but we'll see. Doesn't really matter to me. Just stepping on the gas till the job's done. Always. Just stepping on the gas until the job is done, always. Cerebrating? Okay, there we go. So lighter OFI. Okay, let's check it out. See if it closes this position first and foremost. Okay, that's silly that it's doing that first, but whatever, I'll let it slide. P&L 0.4%. You can see that it failed to put the order in and it didn't close the position. Remember, just like entry, it should loop until it closes. Also, we should have this at the very start of the run before it collects the OFI data. Now it's not a positive position, but that's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ain't nobody need your summary doc, bro. Let's make this super small, see if it can actually get out of the position. I get these errors here, and then you can see that they're all getting canceled. So remember, if it's a long and we're trying to get out by closing short, well, we have to sit on the ask. And if it's a long, it's a short and we're trying to get out, and we would have to sit on the bid. So you're absolutely right, Dr. Dale. I had the logic backwards. Okay, fam. It's okay. It's okay. All right, let's get it. Should close immediately because I got the fake stop loss take profit in there. This here, okay, let's see if this is working. Open orders here. Remember to cancel the orders, cousin. Cancel all. Confirm. And also, you got to make sure to cancel the order before putting in the extra close order, or else it just flips the position, you know? And now I'm in a flip position, bro. Now I'm in a flip position. Now I'm in a short. Because she acted like a dork. She's acting like a dork, dude. She acting like a dork. I'm a dork too, though. We're all dorks here. We're data dorks. Data dorks. Because I'm now in a short. I'm a data dork because I'm in the short. Compacting convo, nice. Use Git work trees to run multiple Claude sessions in parallel. Interesting. I'm gonna put a stop loss in here just in case so I don't blow up this account while testing. Da 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 da. Ba da da ba da ba. Da 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 ba da ba. Ba da da. She's been compacting a lot today. It's really weird. Da 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 da. Okay, here she goes. Perfect. I need to update the close position method now. Good. I need to check the close position method now. Good. Get position calls lighter, nice funks now. Excellent. The bot is using too much leverage. Now let me get the get position calls. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect. Now I need to update the to-do list and test file as well. Great. Let's go ahead and get out of this position now. Close loop one. Perfect. Hmm. Where's it putting the price at? I'm so confused. It seems to be putting shorts in. It seems like it's putting shorts in to close a short, which is super weird. It should never give up until it's closed, by the way. I think it just gave up too. You're absolutely right. I see two critical issues. I might blow up here, dude. I'm gonna put a stop loss in just in case. Dun, dun. Wait, printed in your screenshot. That means is long must be getting true. Okay, so it says it's done. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's just detecting it wrong. It's still putting in shorts when it's a long. The position's a. It's still putting in shorts when the positions are short. It should be putting in buys to close. So something's wrong there. Run it back. Closing position. Okay, it sees a long. So why does it see a long? Looks like the same error. It's still, it says it sees a long, but in reality, the position is a short. Da-da. Now run it again. I'm gonna pull this off because it's gonna show probably my account detail or something. It actually didn't show anything. Here, bro. Sign is -1, fam. That means short, B. -1. Silly girl. Silly girl. Da-da. Okay, let's go ahead and try it now. Now it should get me out correctly. Close attempt. Okay, there we go. There we go, dude. There we go. Holy helly, what is going on, bro? We got to remember to cancel orders once before putting in another order. You can see it just flipped me to a short, which is crazy. So it like I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on, to be honest, but it needs to chill. Puts the order in and then chills for a second, at least 5 seconds. And then if the price changed, we'll go ahead and put a new order in. But you can see it's just spamming orders, though. This is crazy. Some crazy stuff going on here. I don't even know what side position I'm in here. I got hella orders open. I'm in a short. But then I got into a long and then I got into a short. It was crazy over here, to be honest. Increase the delay 5 seconds. Only replace if the price changes significantly. Yes. Okay, now I'm just in a simple position here. And again in a short, in a bullish market. Nice. Okay, let's see how it does now. It should get me out of this position, which is a long. No, it's a short. Lighter, okay. Let's see if it puts in the order. Hmm. You can see that it's putting in a buy order for 19 BTC, which is crazy amount. I don't know what's up with that. We should be looking at the actual position and closing it at that position size. Also, it seems like it's not putting it on the best bid or the close or the best ask. Since this is a short, it should do the best bid. Also, it seemed to give up here eventually. I still have an open position. I think it's because it flipped long, actually. Damn, dude, this is nuts. Position flip direction. I think it's constantly flipping because you're over ordering. Remember, let's just put reduce only as true. And remember to cancel all orders. All orders because it seems that there's open orders here still. Gotta cancel all orders after it's confirmed that it's been closed as well. Before you put any orders in, and cancel all long and short orders after it's been closed. She's still running because, yeah. Position fully closed? No, it's not. Keep going. And remember, in order for it to be closed, there should be no open positions. Don't stop until all positions are closed. If you use the reduce only, that will help. Yo, ATL, thank you, bro. 777. What seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. Oh, let me go ahead and start posting this. The TradeBot challenge here is coming up. And you could join it if you'd like. It's a 3-hour live event that we're doing on Tuesday. Don't miss it. Don't miss it, bro. Links in the description. If you miss it, you miss out big time. There's only 30 total tickets available, and some of those have already been sold. I'm going to send the email, the tweet, all that good stuff. Right now. Okay, so let's see if this works. Should get us out. See, we're in a 7% position. Okay, now we got an open order here. And then it closed. There we go, dude. Please make the wait be 3 seconds instead of 10 seconds in between orders, because what happened is sub orders won't go through if it's reduced only, you know? So if the price is moving too fast. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going with this. Okay, perfect. Place reduce only order at current bid ask. Wait 3 seconds. Okay, let's see if this works. So I'm just going to get into a random position here. Okay, now it should get us out. Negative 1.03. Get us out. Get us out. Loop forever until you're out of there. Okay, I got to open order. Okay, and it's out. Nice, dude. Now we're cooking. We did it, fam. This one was a hard one. This is a hard one, bro. This was a hard one. So let's get it cooking. Okay. We got it cooking. We got it cooking. So now let's get it running. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. Lighter OFI, no licks, copy path. Python, run it. Okay, you're gonna be running over here, fam. Wait. Not yet, because I messed things up. I want a 1, 2, 3. That's 250,000. No, that's 25,000. And then remember, a negative 4 and 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and run it back now. It should be good to go. So let's go ahead and make sure that my stats are correct here. So portfolio, okay. Okay. I think we're Gucci, Phil. This should work fine now. Cool. We got the OFI all good now. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. If you want in on the boot camp, you can't have it anymore. You can join the challenge. If you pass that, then you could join the boot camp. Let's go to Discord here. Send the announcement out. What the hell? Sent. Okay, I'm also gonna send it out here. Now, you have a upper hand on everybody else right now if you want to get into the TradeBot challenge. Because everybody else has to wait for these emails to be sent, dude. And you are here live, so you could get in. There's a link in the description. Sending the emails out, so these tickets will sell out. I promise you that. I can promise you that. Okay, I'm gonna send that right now. Send. Send. Sent. Triple send there. Quadruple send there. Sent. And now we have 3 bots live. Um, that's quite nice, dude. So if you want to join the TradeBot challenge, I'm gonna show you everything in 3 hours. So it's on October 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. There's only 30 tickets available. So if you want in, just go here to the link in the description, join the challenge, and I'll teach you everything you need to know. And there's a 100% money back guarantee. So you're good, bro. I'm here every single day. Much love to you. I'm going to get an egg while I tell you more about the TradeBot challenge because this is super important that you show up, dude. Please show up. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3-hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3-hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour 1, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour 2, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour 3, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3-hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. You're going to learn exactly how to automate your trading, even if you've never coded before, and it's just going to be 3 hours. So make sure if you are interested, like I said, we're only going to allow 30 people into this TradeBot challenge, and you do get the bonuses at the end of the challenge. You can go ahead and click this button down here, put your name and email address in. There is a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked, because I know you probably found me on YouTube. Hey, this is the internet, so I want you to feel super safe. Every single day I'm live on YouTube, so you can always find me, but there's a 90-day money back guarantee, because what I'm really looking for are other data dogs like myself that are analytical, persistent, confident, curious, dedicated to the game, and then we can all chase this goal together. We have a Discord area that's members only for people that are inside of the challenge. The challenge, I'm going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know so you can then go ahead and attack this industry by yourself or with us inside the Discord. Go ahead and read through what people have said about my trainings in the past. This is going to be a 1-day only thing. It is this coming Tuesday. And like I said, there's only going to be 30 people allowed in this private Zoom call, and it's going to be probably the most intense 3 hours. Everything you will need to know in order to automate your trading step by step, even if you've never coded before. Like I said, I'm going to show you my whole AI stack as well, so you'll know exactly how I use AI to build everything for me. It helps me research, and it has just made this process so much easier. So make sure to jump in if you want to be one of the 30 people that attends this live session, which is 3 hours this coming Tuesday. And remember, there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. The only risk you're going to take today is to decide not to join this challenge. Don't take that risk. Learn everything I know so you can at least be educated next time you go to those charts. There is a better way. You don't have to sit here and try to guess up or down. We have robots driving us now. These Teslas are driving us. Why are we using our hands in order to trade? It's crazy. It's like that person that's still riding a horse to work. So at least come learn everything I know in this 3 hours. Know there's a 100% money back guarantee. And the only risk you will take is if you leave this page right now and you don't sign up for the TradeBot challenge, because then you're just going to go back to these charts and probably get liquidated like these guys. It's the sad truth. Most traders lose due to their emotions. Their emotions and them just being a human. You can't stare at these charts all day. You get tired. You have things to do. And that's normal. This is a casino. Try to be the casino operator by looking at data and finding anomalies like Jim Simons did. It's the ultimate prize. It is a very, very extreme industry. As you know, trading is very player versus player. But most people are trading by hand with emotions. So that's our opportunity. Learn how to automate your trading here on Tuesday. I'll see you there. If you get in before the 30 tickets are sold, I'll see you inside. And don't forget, if you want to grab a VIP membership, you get all of the training, you get everything saved, you get all of the recordings here. You can see you get all of the recordings for the full event, and you get the roadmap. You can read everything you get in VIP if you want that. But again, there's only going to be 30 spots available. So jump in while you can. I'm not sure about you, but my biggest problem when I was trading by hand was I would stare at these screens all day long. I wouldn't respect my stop losses. I wouldn't respect my take profits. I would spend my whole day trying to trade up and down, eventually using too much leverage and losing a lot of money. So at one point, I realized I had to stop this. And I met somebody who was trading with bots, and I thought it was so fascinating. He said he was trading $1 billion per day. Now, I don't need to trade $1 billion per day, but I do have a North Star here. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion. Do I need that much? No way. But I decided to show absolutely everything here for free on YouTube. And that's probably how you found me. And now I have a bunch of bots running, and I build new bots every single day live on YouTube. But what I wanted to give you an opportunity to do is jump in on a 3-hour challenge where I'm going to show you step by step how to actually automate your trading, even if you've never coded before. So the challenge is simple. I'll just make sure you can sign up below. There are very limited spaces. We're only allowing 30 people into this challenge. So you can see everything you'll get in the challenge. But my whole goal is to take you from where you are, where I used to be, a hand trader, to a fully automated trader. I will show you everything on this page. It's a 3-hour challenge. It's going to be absolutely packed. And also on top of that, you get a couple bonuses. Hour 1, I'm going to show you exactly how to code if you don't know how to code, where to get all the resources you need. And then hour 2, I'm going to show you how to identify strategies and then test those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. And then hour 3, we're going to build some bots out. I'm going to show you my exact AI setup, how I use AI, what AIs I use, what platforms, etc., etc. I'm going to give you this full roadmap. This roadmap is literally it's a book worth of information that I've been putting together step by step. Has our Discord community, frequently asked questions, all the questions you may have, my actual RBI system, a ton of ideas that you can look at and come up with your own ideas, a book list here. There's unlimited things to test here on this roadmap, and it's a short, concise way to learn this yourself. But in this TradeBot challenge, it's going to be a 3-hour intensive. This is going to be extremely intense. There's going to be a lot of things to learn. You're going to learn exactly how to automate your trading, even if you've never coded before, and it's just going to be 3 hours. So make sure if you are interested, like I said, we're only going to allow 30 people into this TradeBot challenge, and you do get the bonuses at the end of the challenge. You can go ahead and click this button here, put your name and email address in. There is a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked, because I know you probably found me on YouTube, but hey, this is the internet, so I want you to feel super safe. Every single day I'm live on YouTube, so you can always find me, but there's a 90-day money back guarantee, because what I'm really looking for are other data dogs like myself that are analytical, persistent, confident, curious, dedicated to the game, and then we can all chase this goal together. We have a Discord area that's members only for people that are inside of the challenge. The challenge, I'm going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know so you can then go ahead and attack this industry by yourself or with us inside the Discord. Go ahead and read through what people have said about my trainings, and this is going to be a 1-day only thing. It is this coming Tuesday, and like I said, there's only going to be 30 people allowed in this private Zoom call, and it's going to be probably the most intense 3 hours. Everything you will need to know in order to automate your trading step by step, even if you've never coded before. Like I said, I'm going to show you my whole AI stack as well, so you'll know exactly how I use AI to build everything for me. It helps me research, and it has just made this process so much easier. So make sure to jump in if you want to be one of the 30 people that attend this live session, which is 3 hours this coming Tuesday. And remember, there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. The only risk you're going to take today is to decide not to join this challenge. Don't take that risk. Learn everything I know so you can at least be educated next time you go to those charts. There is a better way. You don't have to sit here and try to guess up or down. We have robots driving us now. These Teslas are driving us. Why are we using our hands in order to trade? It's crazy. It's like that person that's still riding a horse to work. So at least come learn everything I know in this 3 hours. Know there's a 100% money back guarantee. And the only risk you will take is if you leave this page right now and you don't sign up for the TradeBot challenge, because then you're just going to go back to these charts and probably get liquidated like these guys. It's the sad truth. Most traders lose due to their emotions. And all right, we back. Okay, so we built some cool things today. We built 3 bots already. Okay, so the first things first is we built this bot. They're actually all disabled right now because liquidations are too high. 1, 2, 3. 1 for lighter, 2 for extended. Okay, the first thing I want to do here is I want to get this, I want to get the boot camp updated here. Because I just made a video last week about how to get connected to a different exchange. And you know what? It's Pacifica. So I went ahead and made that video, but I put it on this other hard drive here, I believe, and I didn't upload it. Da, 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 da. So this would be 62. OBS here. It'd be last Friday. And last Friday was October 3rd. Day 62. And then what I should do is, here, I'm gonna get that up there first off. Let's make sure this is the right video first off. How about that? Okay, it is. Perfect. All right, so today I want to show you how to get connected to this another perp dex, and the reason I'm doing this is because first off, there's inefficiencies that are different in each exchange, so it's very interesting to go through the docs and build for each exchange. But secondly, these points that they're giving users, in Hyperliquid's case, it turned into a great return. So, and they just keep dropping new stuff. So it's like you're getting kind of paid market maker fees almost to trade on certain exchanges. That's kind of how I'm looking at it. And until this day, like if you were to go to Wall Street, as always, Quant I'll put this in the code section. Otherwise, you can just kind of look at, since this is a perp dex, it's not as the second part of get cancel all orders. So just some helper orders. Nice funks, Pacifica. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that nice funks Pacifica here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the one of trade bots. Let's go over here to Hyperliquid bots. Let's say Pacifica. But also, let's add Aster. And then also, let's add extended. Okay. Okay, let's get all of those inside of the bootcamp. So first off, let's get Pacifica up here. Hey, bro. Right here. Okay, Pacifica, nice funks are in there. Beautiful. Yo, let's put Hibachi up in there as well. Nice funks Hibachi. Let's get that in there. Why not? Okay, and then nice funks extended. Okay. Extended Pacifica. Those are the three that I wanted. But I also want to get Aster up in there. I don't think it's in here. We go through here. Oh, that's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea. Let me write that down. Yeah, that's smart, bro. We'll see. We'll see, I guess. Jimmy, we'll see, Jimmy. We'll see. We'll see, Jimmy. Let's. Okay, it's not in the Aster. Well, Aster Lager bot right here. That's not the one. I'm gonna go to my GitHub. And we're gonna go to Aster. What files does this bot use? Okay, let's get the Aster Dex here. Copy path. CD. Code dot. Aster API. Aster Funcs. I think it just needs those two. Aster. Hibachi extended. Let's get lighter up in there as well. Lighter. Nice funks. Lighter, nice funks here. Let's go look at it real quick. Lighter. Nice funks. Setup loop, async, get signer, get account, get position. Buy limit async. Sell limit async. Cancel all orders, buy limit, sell limit, cancel. So we have all the functions. Close position, cancel all orders, sell limit, buy limit, cancel all orders, async, sell limit, async, buy limit, async. I'm gonna put this in there as well. Nice funks. And then we also have this other file here. Test functions, exchange functions here. Close position. Let's also put these in there. Lighter wrapper. Okay, sick. Now I've got all of these new things. Let's close this for a second. Close chat. Okay, let's go and say new terminal. Get add dot get commit slash lighter extended hibachi aster and pacifica nice funks added. Git push. And a ton of backtests. Holy helly. Okay, let's go to that GitHub here. Let's go to Moondev on YouTube. Moondev code repos. Moondev trading bots here. And then let's go to Discord here. Let's go to Quant Elite code. added to the GitHub. And go with day 61. Wait, I don't know if that's fact. Yeah, 61, 62, and 63. So anybody that's in Quant-Elite has access to this. So let's go to the bot section here. Okay, let's go ahead and paste it in there. Boom. All right, so now I want to make day 62. Create channel. Text day 62 here. And then I want it to be the same rules as the other one. Edit channel here and permissions. Okay, perfect. How to Pacifica exchange. Nice functions. So you can quickly get connected and start building bots.